Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to transfer money from your Payactiv card to your bank account in 2025. Whether you're managing your earned wages or just need quick access to your funds, this step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and hassle-free. Let's jump right in. First, ensure you have the Payactiv app downloaded on your smartphone. If you don't, head to your app store, download it, and log in with your account credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard. This is your starting point. Next, look for the Transfer or Move Money option, which is usually easy to spot. Tap on it to begin. Now, select your Payactiv card as the source account. If you haven't linked your bank account yet, the app will prompt you to do so. This involves entering your bank details securely. Don't worry, it's all encrypted for your protection. After that, choose your bank account as the destination. Enter the amount you want to transfer, and double-check for any transfer limits or fees that might apply in 2025. Payactiv often updates these, so keep an eye out in the app. Once everything looks good, review the details and hit the Confirm or Transfer button. You'll get a confirmation notification, and the funds should hit your bank account in 1 to 3 business days, depending on your bank's processing time. A quick tip: always verify your bank information to avoid delays or errors. If you run into any issues, Payactiv's customer support is there to help. Just check the app for contact options. And that's it, you've successfully transferred your money. This simple process puts you in control of your finances. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.